Hi friends, I am Ms. C.K. Clement of final year BCom from Seshadripuram Degree College, Mysuru. Now I am going to solve a problem on index number from business statistics. Here I have a problem for which we have to calculate price index number for 5 different methods for 2 different years. Let's go through the problem. From the following data, calculate price index number for 2007 with 2006 as base by Lapierre's method, Pasteure's method, Marshall method, Fisher's method, Dorbish method. So we have 3 column: commodity, base year, current year. Commodity A, B, C, D. Base year and current year have 2 sub columns, that is price and quantity. Base year price is equal to 10, 7, 5, 16. Base year quantity 12, 15, 24, 5. Current year price 12, 5, 9, 14. Current year quantity 15, 20, 25. For calculating these methods, we have formulas for each method. So before calculating the methods, we have to draw the table which will help us while calculating the different method using different formulas. So here we have 9 columns. The data of starting 5 columns will be in the question, and remaining 4 columns we have to multiply among those columns. So P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P0, Q1, P1, Q0. So P0 is nothing but base year price, Q0 is base year quantity, P1 is current year price and Q1 is current year quantity. P0, Q0 is base year price into base year quantity. P1, Q1 is current year price into current year quantity. P0, Q1 is base year price into current year quantity. P1, Q0 is current year price and base year quantity. So as I said, P0, Q0 and P1, Q1, these 4 columns will be in the question, but we have to calculate P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P0, Q1 and P1, Q0. First we'll go P0, Q0. So what is base year price and base year quantity? 10 into 12 is equal to 120. Next 7 into 15 is equal to 105. 5 into 24 is 120. 16 into 5 is 80. Next, current year price and current year quantity. 12 into 15 is 180. 5 into 20 is 100. 9 into 20 is 180. 14 into 5 is 70. And last, base year price and current year quantity. So what is base year price? P0. P0 is 10. Current year quantity is, that is Q1 is 15. So 10 into 15 is 150. 7 into 20 is 140. 5 into 20 is 100. 16 into 5 is 80. Next, base current year price and base year quantity. What is P1? P1 is 12 and Q0 is nothing but base year quantity. So 12 into 12 is 144, 15 into 5 is 75, 24 into 9 is equal to 216, 5 into 14 is 70. So after all multiplying these numbers, we have to total it. So what is the total of each column? Sigma P0 is equal to 38, sigma Q0 is equal to 56, sigma P1 is equal to 40, sigma Q1 is equal to 60, sigma P0 Q0 is equal to 425, sigma P1 Q1 is equal to 530, sigma P0 Q1 is equal to 470 and sigma P1 Q0 is equal to 505. After computing the table, we have to calculate according to the formulas. So here is the 5 different formulas. Let's go through it. Lapierre's method. P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Pasteure's method. P01, this P0, P01, it denotes price index. So P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Marshall method. P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Fisher's method. P01, that is price index, is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. At last, Dorbish-Bowles method, price index is equal to half, that is 1 by 2, bracket sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1, close the bracket and multiply it with 100. So here we can see all the methods formulas are quite similar. So let's solve it one by one. First, Lapierre's method. So what's the formula? The formula is P01, that is price index, is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So we have calculated in the table, we got sigma P1 Q0 as 505 divided by sigma P0 Q0 as 425. So we have to divide it, we get 1.188 and we have to multiply it with 100. So we get 118.8. So next, Pasteur's method. So sigma price index is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So we got sigma P1 Q1 as 530 in the table and sigma P0 Q1 divided is 470. We have to divide it, that is 530 divided by 470 and multiply it with 100. So what is the division? 530 divided by 470, we get 1.127 and we have to multiply it with 100. We get 112.7. Next, Marshall method. So what's the formula for Marshall method? Price index is equal to sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P0 Q1 into 100. First we'll add this sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1. So we get 505 plus 530 divided by, write the division symbol as it is, later we can divide. Next, P0 Q0 plus sigma P0 Q1. So what is sigma P0 Q0? Sigma P0 Q0 is 425 plus sigma P0 Q1 is 470. So even this we have to add, that is 1035 divided by 895. So we get 1.156 into 100. So at last if we multiply it with 100, we get 115.6. Next, Fisher's method. Price index is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So this is quite similar to Lapierre's and Pasteur's method. We have to put a root and multiply it with 100. So 505 divided by 425 into 530 divided by 470. This thing should be in the root. We have to not remove the root until we calculate at last. So 1.18 into 1.12 into 100. 1.18 into 1.12 is nothing but 1.32. If we multiply that Lapierre's and Pasteur's method, we get the same answer, that is 1.32. We have to find the root first. So what is root of 1.32? It is 1.149. At last we have to multiply it with 100. We get 114.90. And next, last, Dorbish-Bowles method. So price index is equal to 1 divided by 2, nothing but it is half, and we have to add sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So this is the formula. So 1 divided by 2 we have to write same as it is. First we'll solve inside the bracket and then we'll divide it by 1 divided by 2, multiply it by 1 divided by 2. So 505 divided by 425 plus 530 divided by 470. What is division of 505 divided by 425? 1.188 plus 530 divided by 470 is 1.127 into 100. 2.315 into 100, so we get 231.5. We have to now multiply it by 1 divided by 2, so we get 0.5 into 231.5, so we get answer as 115.75. So this is how we calculate price index number when 5 different methods are given. I hope you all have understood this problem. Thank you.